Good afternoon and healthy greetings to all my friends, and also Miss Sri Adelila as a chemistry English lecturer. Before starting presentation, let me introduce ourselves. I am Cindy Claudine Tampu Bolon, and here is my partner.
I am Elisa Manurung.
We are from Chemistry English Group. Well, my friend, in this presentation, we are going to discuss about context clues in journal. What are context clues? Context clues are hints that an author gives to help define a difficult or unusual word within a book. The clue may appear within the same sentence as the word to which it refers, or it may follow in the next sentence. Because most of our vocabulary is gained through reading, it is important that we are able to recognize and take advantage or context clues. There are at least 4 kinds of context clues that are quite common. Number 1, synonym or repeat context clues. Number 2, antonym or contrast context clues. Number 3, explanation or a definition context clues. And number 4, specific example or an example context clue. For the example of the 4 kinds of context clues, we took them from 2 journals. For the first journal is the impacts of Comopoly edutainment to learning activities and responses. And the second journal is antibacterial activity of various medicinal plants in North Sumatra against common human pathogens. For the next will be continued by my friend Elisa Manuru.
The impacts of chemopoly edutainment to learning activities and responses. Abstract synonym. The study also found the none of the students were less active or inactive in teaching and learning activities using the chemopoly edutainment medium. The context calls chemopoly edutainment. Paragraph 1 definition. This course studies the separation, identification, and quantification of chemical components in natural and artificial materials. The context clues separation. Paragraph 2 antonym. Students were only listened to material presented by the teacher, but there were not efforts from students to try to understand the material. The context clues efforts. Paragraph 3 example. Other research results were concluded the Monopoly game could be designed and segment of student, introduction of concept, introduction of problem solving, and critical analysis skill. The context goals and segment. Paragraph 4 definition. Based on the background and some previous research results that have been described above, then this study were aimed to determine student learning active by using Monopoly on the chemical separation and also to describe student response to the use Monopoly games in learning. The context goals separation. Paragraph 5 definition. Learning active are the activities of learners during the learning process that includes oral activity, visual activity, emotional activity, and writing activities. It has been that the learning activities are all activities undertaken in the process of interaction educator and learners in order to active learning objective. The context clues includes paragraph 6 definition. Response was the reaction of learners to the stimulus given at the time of study. In also define that then respond as a reciprocal of the communication made by people involved in the communication. The context clues involved. Paragraph 7 example. A player rolls a pair of dice and moves the total of the two dice randomly of also involved in the two solved decks of the cards called sense of community case. The context calls solving. Paragraph 8. As for the approach used in the study was a qualitative approach with a variety of research used by descriptive. The context calls approach. Paragraph 9. Chemopoly edutainment that used in the study was the media that we have developed previously. The context clues previously. Paragraph 11. Lecture prepared the necessary Chemopoly edutainment game equipment during the learning process. The context clues necessary. Paragraph 12. The lecturer then explained in the full functionality, the media equipment and the game of Chemopoly edutainment before use. The context clues equipment. Paragraph 13 synonym. After all the student understood and knew the procedure of playing, the lecturer asked the student to start using the media that has been distributed to each group. The context clues. Paragraph 15. Activities in question was the activity of students in understanding the material with different conditions. The student not only read but also could saw in image displayed on learning. Paragraph 16. Other observed activities such as exchange opinion in teams, make a shared decision and concrete about the difficulties of fellow team members. The percentage obtained were of 81, 72, and 94% respectively. The context clues obtained. Paragraph 16. Overly based on the result of student activities, it was concluded the learning using media in the form of image of game in the learning process could be increase student activity in learning. The context clues interest. Paragraph 18. This figure meant the less students were helped in understanding the chemistry of separation by using Chemopoly edutainment. Contextual course separation. Paragraph 19. Independent the sense of to learn in groups, but not dependent the presence of lecture. The context clues continue. Paragraph 20. However, there was not student expressed a disagreeable opinion. The suggests that although most responding students might still need the use of a higher grammar of use in the chemopoly edutainment medium. The context clues suggest. For the next will be continued by my friend Cindy Tampu Bolon.
The second journal is antibacterial activity of various medicinal plants in North Sumatra against common human pathogens. Abstract definition. The necessity for new antibiotic compound is becoming urgent given the increasing number of bacteria that are resistant to one or several antibiotics. The context clue, necessity. Example, maceration with acetone solvents was used to extract the content from the medicinal plant samples. Context clues, maceration with acetone solvents. Introduction paragraph 1, definition. The development of bacterial strains that are resistant to one or several antibiotics has become a serious problem that must be addressed immediately. The context clues immediately. The existence of this phenomena is increasingly encouraging the research to find new compounds that have the potential as effective drugs. The context clue, the existence. Paragraph 1, experience clue. One approach to obtain antimicrobial compounds is carried out through studies of derived from plants. The context clues, approach, and compounds. Paragraph 1, definition. Natural materials have been used since ancient times and have traditionally been used for the treatment of various diseases as well as treatments that have been carried out in the Indian, olive traditional, Ayurveda, and Unani treatment system. Context clues is ancient and treatment and carried. Material and methods. Paragraph 1. Example. Samples of various North Sumatra medicinal plants were obtained from traders of medicinal plants in the traditional market of Pancur Batu, North Sumatra, Indonesia. The context clue is obtained. Paragraph 2, experience clues. Then it was filtered with filter paper. The filtrate was evaporated using a rotary at a temperature of 550 Celsius to obtain a crude extract. The context clue, evaporated and rotary and crude. The next, paragraph 5, example. As much as 100 liters of inoculums of the bacterial species were applied on Mueller Hinton agar MHA oxide. Plates evenly using a sterile spreader. The context clues in a columns. Result and the context clues is in a column and practice evenly. Result and discussion. Paragraph 1, experience clues. The preliminary test of acetone, extract of medicinal plants in North Sumatra, was performed using the paper diffusion method. The context clues is preliminary. Paragraph 2, antonym. MIC is used to determine the lowest concentration of antibacterial agents in inhibiting bacterial growth, wherein MBC is defined as the lowest antibacterial concentration in which all microbes are killed. The context clue is inhibiting and as the lowest. Okay, that's the result of our presentation about context clue. If the use of sentences that are not appropriate, we apologize profusely. And finally, we say thank you and Nelt greeting to all of us.